All right, so you've gotten almost all the way done with your mix and you're ready to compress your mix bus. You have no idea how to actually do it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I do with 95% of my mix bus compressors and exactly how to compress your mix bus in every single mix, regardless of genre. Hi, my name is Tyson. I'm a mastering engineer here at Dinosaur Dog Mastering. And before I dive into mix bus compression, I want to let you know that I have a free course associated with this series of videos that I'm doing. It is the Pro Mix Formula. It's taking the song that you're going to hear inside of this tutorial and mixing it from start to finish so that you can have the formula for a professional mix by the time you get done with that. It includes multi-track, so you can actually mix alongside of me while I am inside of the DAW. So make sure you're getting that. It is in the description of the video, or first comment should also contain a link to get access to that course for free. Okay, with that said, let's dive into the actual tutorial, how to process your mix bus when it comes to compression. This is a mix that is almost finished and we're ready to actually dive in and finish it off with mix bus compression. So what I've already done is mixed most of the song, and then also I've already applied some EQ to our mix bus as well, and now we are going to go and dive in to compressing the mix bus. So let's add a compressor to our mix bus, and let's use a mix bus compressor specifically for this purpose. So there's two main mix bus compressors inside of the Logic Pro suite, and we have the Studio VCA and then also the Vintage VCA. These are both very famous bus compressors. The Vintage VCA is the SSL G Comp, and the Studio VCA is the Red 3 compressor by Focusrite. So we're going to be using the Vintage VCA. In this case, I like it better in most scenarios. It's the SSL G Comp, as I mentioned. Does not matter what genre you're music in, I almost use these settings every single time inside of the mix bus because it works so well. The first thing you're going to want to do is move your attack to 100 milliseconds or so. Your release should be set to auto gain should be off. Knee is usually somewhere relatively high. I'm going to start at 0.5 on the knee, and then your ratio I'm going to move up to 3:1, and I'm going to start reducing this threshold until I'm getting 1 solid decibel of gain reduction on a louder part of the song. So I have a chorus looped here, so that's the section I'm going to be applying compression on, and it'll catch most of the rest of the song because of this knee is relatively high. Highly encourage you to use this specific type of compression because it's not too extreme. If you use more extreme mix bus compression, your song can really have a nasty pumping effect, which is going to be very difficult to fix in the mastering process after you're done with your mix. So make sure that you're being very subtle in your changes on your mix bus to protect your song for your mastering engineer to actually do what they want with your song and make it as best as it can possibly be. So you don't want to ruin anything that you can't fix essentially down the road in mastering. This is a very subtle type of compression. This is sounding really good to me. It's gluing everything together, but make sure you're listening to the kick drum and the snare because those are the two items that's kind of being brought out with this compression. You can feel there's more weight behind them. There's more punchiness to the overall mix, but listen to the kick drum and the snare. If you liked this video and you want to see more, if you want to see me mix this entire song from start to finish, you can download my free course, which is the Pro Mix Formula. This walks through me mixing this entire song start to finish, and I explain every single step along the way so you know the formula for a professional mix. Okay, with that said, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.